mga ka-chupers, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Game of Foul at kasama natin si Ma'am Mika.
Hello.
Mika, since when kayo nag-start as a model, ma'am?
Secret.
Ayun.
Matagal na, college pa ako.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone, please like and share and subscribe Alexander Pangilinan. Subscribe Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Hi, please do like, share and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account.
Please follow and watch Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi guys! Please follow, subscribe, and like Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Thank you!
Alex Pangilinan, please like, share and subscribe.
Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi, please like and share, subscribe Alex Pangilinan YT.
Hello mga biyaheros, kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na, huwag nyo na kayo pinch. Hello mga ka-chupers, at day 2 na lang Game of Foul at nasa World Trade Center tayo. Kung sakaling